Hope you've all been doing well and taking good care of yourselves. Today I'm really excited to talk to you guys about a really neat opportunity that I got to work with a team of sewers and pattern makers who specialize in making cosplay costumes from all kinds of different fandoms, from anime to video games to comic books. And the team goes by Needle Workshop. And I have this box right here which contains a custom-made costume made to my measurements that they created in order to develop a pattern that will be available in their shop in the future. The cosplay inside here is of Setsuna from Yashahime, and she is the youngest daughter of Sesshomaru. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box so we can look at all the components of the costume. So let's get started. All right, here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. I am very excited to see everything. All right. Protective papers. All right, let's see. I absolutely love getting to see costumes that other people have made because I always learn something different. Even costumes, you know, that aren't necessarily like handmade by like an individual person, even by different companies. It's really cool to see all the different techniques that people will use. All right, cool. So it looks like the first thing we have here is a piece of armor. Okay, let's see, I'll get this whole first bag out. Start. All right. Ooh, this is so pretty. I'm so excited. I'm going to carefully get her out along with other pieces in here. So delicate with the armor. All right, awesome. So this, I know, is like the middle waist armor piece. So, ooh, it looks so good. They did such a good job at making it just look so like, the fabric they use is so nice and textured, and the vinyl just makes it look so much more legit. I love it so much. That's beautiful. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. So another piece of the armor, that nice, same really pretty quilted vinyl on the top. It's another piece. Right, here we go. So here's another one. Let's see, I think these are one's a pauldron and one is or actually I think they're both. These are both her elbow armor. That's what it is. Both of these are elbow armor. This one was gonna go up here with one of the pauldrons once I get that out of here. And then it looks like here's some more fabric pieces. Ooh. Here's the top. Oh my gosh. It feels like so nice and weighted with how structured it is, especially right along here. It is so well done. Oh, it looks so nice. And I love the material they use. It's like super soft and it feels like it's gonna be really breathable, so that's nice. It's not made out of like a really stiff cotton or anything. And I think it has a slight stretch to it too. Yeah, here's the bottoms. Yep, they do have a slight stretch. So yep, this is what basically consists of her bodysuit, the top and the bottom, and then it has a nice helpful piece of Velcro up here to help attach those armor pieces. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm so excited to try everything on. All right, here's some more armor. Yep, here's a piece right here. Here we go. So yep, this looks like the shoulder armor right here. Oh, I love it. Oh wait, technically I think it's on this side. I'm trying to remember exactly which side. So yeah, that'll go like that. I'm obsessed with how well, like, even like on these curves, everything looks so smooth and nice. They really nailed this. Okay, here we go. This is the tie, waist tie, and sash as well. Lovely little sash with the tie. I love the color. That's beautiful. I feel like it goes so well with like the whole costume. Ooh. Yes, this is so pretty. Very, very aesthetically pleasing. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Set you over here. Put this, I'll put this aside for now. All right. This looks like the furry boa piece. Here it is. Couldn't be, you can't be Sashomaru's daughter without some iconic fluff, I would say. Wow, this is so cool. I know I'm gonna have to maneuver a bit. Let's see, I'm trying to remember which side it goes on for her. I think it is the right side. So yeah, oh, that's so cool. And then it works in a way that comes out like that in the back. Oh, this is so neat. I love this. And then it's got a nice piece of Velcro back here to attach so that one piece can kind of be tailing out. So they really nailed it getting it to go in the two different directions that it goes in. Wow, this is so cool. Oh man, I love it. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Here, I'll kind of lay everything out so you guys can see all the piece components a little bit more up close. And yeah, eventually I'll be putting on the whole cosplay. I just need to style the wig and make the shoes, and potentially I might also make her her weapon. So definitely gonna be making the shoes and the wig though. So once I get that done, I'm gonna be planning to shoot everything and put it all on. But yeah, like I said, I just wanna get some detail shots of some of these costume pieces so you can really see a lot of the craftsmanship that went into this whole costume. All right, so here's everything a little bit more up close. So you can really see the nice shaping they did here along the front of the armor. There's also a nice separating zipper facing downwards going this way, so it's really easy to get this on and off by yourself. The pants for the bodysuit, which are nice and stretchy. The top for everything, and I love this, especially how structured this is, so that that's going to keep its shape extremely well. Another detail I really like is that she's got these little bands at her wrists, and instead of making it like a separate component that could easily get lost or something you'd have to manually tie, it's just elastic, so it's always going to stay there and stay in place and look nice. So that was something I really liked detail wise that they did. Another thing here is you can see it's got some Velcro at the top to make it easier to attach the pauldron so that it stays in place. So you can see where that attaches to the shoulder. Of course, we've got the matching little elbow armors, which both look fantastic, and just another little quality of life detail. The back looks great, and then there's elastic here so that it can stretch a little bit to actually, you know, get on and have some maneuverability. So that was an extremely awesome detail. I really love how they've thought all these things through to make it a lot easier to wear as the, you know, cosplayer. So all those little details are fantastic. Another fantastic detail they told me about the sash, which I love, and every cosplayer will love this, is that there's a hidden little pocket right in here. So just like a perfect size for like your cell phone or a small wallet or something. So I know cosplayers and pretty much anyone can appreciate having a nice little pocket and not having to carry like an extra bag or anything. So that is freaking fantastic. And then of course we have the big boa piece, which I'm sure was really hard to figure out because the way it kind of trails off in the back into two tails was really unique and interesting. But everything is so nicely fitted and sits so well. And then they have this part right here that's got some structure to it and some Velcro so that I can find out exactly where I want this to lay on the back of the costume and just put that on. So it's going to lay nicely exactly as it's needed on my body. So I really appreciate all of these quality of life details that they have put into this costume, which will be made into the pattern. So that's just really, really awesome. Then, of course, here's their business card. If you guys are ever interested in checking out some of their tutorials, patterns, costumes, all that good stuff, they do take commissions, and just look how neat. That is so cool. I love it. Fantastic. Go follow them up on their socials, especially if you want to learn some really fantastic sewing techniques, pick up some great patterns, and just appreciate the world of creative nerdiness. I am so excited about getting to cosplay as Setsuna. Thank you again so much, Needle Workshop, for creating this insanely beautiful costume. And I can't wait to finish the components on my end so that I can get the full cosplay together and get some nice photos. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on all of that. I will be working on some of the costume pieces like the shoes, the wig, possibly the weapons and such during my live streams. So I'll keep you guys posted on all of that. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, be sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. I will probably see you this upcoming Sunday for a Sunday live stream Sew and Chill here on my YouTube channel. And yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Take care, guys. Bye.
Thank you so much to all of my patrons who support me over on Patreon, and a special shout out to Babak Debog, Brad Shelton, Eric Bolaños, Jamie, John Fillers, and Mr. Borland for supporting me in the fabulous Flower Power tier. Thank you all so much.